To change home screen wallpaper on Google Pixel 9a, we can go to Settings. Then over here scroll down and choose Wallpaper and Style. Over here at the top switch to home screen. And here you have some example wallpapers that you can immediately use by simply tapping on them. And after a few seconds it should be changed. You can also go to more wallpapers in order to find, of course, a variety of different wallpapers that you can use. So let's say I'm gonna choose the landscapes category. Let's say I'm gonna pick maybe this road over here. And now we have the preview, how it looks like in the home screen, and also of course in the lock screen as well. But now we can press set wallpaper, and then you can uncheck, for example, lock screen if you want to apply this wallpaper only for home screen. So then we can press set, and there we go, that's pretty much it. Besides that, you can also tap on the home screen and then once again tap on it in order to, for example, change the position of the wallpaper, zoom in or zoom out if needed. So then press this check over here and then once again set wallpaper. I'm gonna uncheck lock screen. And there we go. That's pretty much it. So let's see how it looks like now. And the wallpaper is changed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!